vacuum of the month. And the 2021 July vacuum of the month is the Hoover Deluxe Elite Rewind. So, got off Facebook Marketplace. No, not Facebook Marketplace. I got this one off an OfferUp. So, I bought it off of Vacuums and Carpet Cleaner Guy. And the reason why I got this is because the switch, like little power switch, that turns on and off, it broke off, so I swapped the switch off of the power lifter and put it on this, and it works good. So it works good. There is some issues. The base, like the side of the base is like cracked open, and the height adjustment setting is missing. So like he swapped it off. Like I don't know why. So I might have to order it off of warehouse.com, not sure. So yeah, you've got 7 height adjustments, you've got the dark wood hot block carpet, got the Hoover logo right there, got white cleaning path, and the brush roll right here. And you got the height adjustment wheels. So you got the headlight. Right here is the headlight. And yes, that is the foot release, so just press it and releases. You got the HEPA filter on the side. Just open that. And there's the filter. It is very dirty. I do need to clean it out. I'm not supposed to wash it, because if I wash it, it'll get ruined. Because this was a paper filter right away, so. And right here on the back, you got your on and off switch. And the reason why it's called rewind, because it's got the accordion, so just pull this. When you're all done, you push this button right here. And this one's got 12 amps. And the dark up to release, push this button. And this is where you empty by pushing this. I can't push it because the little piece right here broke off. And the cyclone filter is right here. And there's another filter. Oops. Yeah, here's the filter. I don't know if y'all can see it because this one is pretty dirty, pretty gross. So let's go back in. I do need to clean this vacuum out, but it's going to be on the next, well, I am going to do a service video on the clean view. So after the clean view, next is the Dirt Devils, Eureka's, and Hoovers, and I'm making the Hoover for last though. And it's missing attachments, it's missing the upholstery tool and the quarter tool. Usually comes with the Darkston brush, well, turbo brush, but. And right here is the hose. So you can see the hose is not really that long. And slide back in. And you got the clip right on top, so without further ado, I'll undo the cord. Yeah, on the rewind system, it's missing the red and yellow sticker. I might have to put some on there, so. And the cord's not that long. So yeah, that is the long cord. Well, not that long, but this cord's a bit torn. I don't think I should replace the cord because I don't want this to happen. So yeah, without any further ado, let's do a demonstration. guys have it. This vacuum's not really that loud. It sounds very quiet. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. So yeah, like I said, this vacuum needs cleaned out. So it's gonna be soon. I just need to clean out the Clean View 2. So yeah, that needs cleaned up pretty bad. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys all later. Peace.